Hey there, fellow ServiceNow ninjas. Today we're diving into fascinating world of ServiceNow script includes. But hold on tight, because we're not stopping there. We're going to learn you how to extend those script includes and supercharge our development experience. So if you're ready to level up your ServiceNow skills, let's get started. Before we dive into coding, let's take a moment to understand why extending script includes is an absolute game changer for us as developers. And trust me, it's worth it. By extending script includes, we are unlocking a whole bunch of awesome benefits. First off, we get code reusability. Imagine having a script include with some killer functionality that you want to use in multiple places. And well, instead of copying pasting that code and risking inconsistencies, we can simply extend the script include. That means we inherit all the existing goodness without duplicating a single line of code. Next up, we got modularity. Script includes lets us encapsulate related functionality into neat little modules, but sometimes we need to tweak specific behaviors or add our own magic touch. By extending script include, we can customize them without affecting the original module. It's like having your cake and eating it too. And let's not forget about flexibility. When we extend a script include, we can override methods, add new properties and define additional functions. That means we can mold it up to fit our specific needs like a ball of Play-Doh. Lastly, extending script includes leads to enhanced collaboration. We all know how important teamwork is in the development world. By extending script includes, we create a central hub for shared code, allowing multiple developers to work together and contribute to the project's success. Let's dive deeper into the math scenario where we extend a script include in ServiceNow for advanced mathematical operations. Here's a breakdown of each important piece of code. In the original script include mathUtilities, we define a class mathUtilities and attach methods to its prototype. The initialize method is used for the initialization logic of the script include. You can include any setup code specific to your needs. The add method takes two parameters, A and B, and returns their sum using the plus operator. The subtract method subtracts B from A using minus operator. Now let's extend the functionality with advanced math operations. Here we've got another script include that I've created. It's called advanced mathUtils. It is extending previous mathUtils script include with some bit more complex functions. That new advanced mathUtils extend mathUtils using extend.extends object. Inside the initialize method, we call the parent's initialize method from mathUtils using mathutils.prototype.initialize.call this. This ensures that the original initialization logic is executed. The multiply method takes two parameters, A and B, and returns their product using the multiply operator. The divide method divides A by B using the divide operator. However, to avoid division by zero, we include a check to throw an error if B is zero. By extending the mathUtils script include with advanced mathUtils, we inherit the original utility methods while adding advanced math operations specific to the advanced mathUtils script include. Feel free to modify and expand upon this code example to include additional advanced math methods or customize it according to your specific needs. This allows you to harness the power of extending script includes in ServiceNow and build tailored solutions for your requirements. Now let's open a background script and invoke our script includes. So first, I've created two variables, basic math and advanced math, and assigned them our newly created script includes. Then we log result of adding 2 and 4 using the add method from basic math. This demonstrates how we can use methods from the mathUtils script include. We log the result of adding 2 and 4 using add method from advanced math. Again, this demonstrates the inheritance of methods from mathUtils. Then we log the result of multiplying 2 and 4 using multiply method from advanced math. This showcases the additional functionality we added in advanced mathUtils script include. By extending this script includes, we can inherit existing methods and add our own specialized functionality to create powerful and customized solutions for our applications. Feel free to modify and expand upon the code to explore further possibilities and unleash the full potential of script includes in your ServiceNow development projects. And there you have it. Extending script includes in ServiceNow offers immense benefits to ServiceNow developers. It promotes code reusability, modularity, flexibility, and collaboration. By extending a script include, you can inherit existing functionalities while customizing it to fit your specific requirements. And remember, script includes are a powerful tool in your ServiceNow development arsenal. So make the most of them. Experiment, explore, and leverage the vast capabilities they provide. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.